Struggling to find a beard dye that truly works for you? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Just for Men Mustache and Beard. The Just for Men Mustache and Beard Dye. What caught my attention is its blend of keratin, biotin, aloe, and coconut oil, all for just $11.97. If you want a dye that not only colors but also nourishes your facial hair, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The keratin helps strengthen your beard, while the biotin promotes healthier growth. The aloe and coconut oil are perfect if you're worried about dryness or irritation. Plus, it's designed specifically for gray hair, which is ideal if you want to maintain that youthful appearance. With over 9,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that this product is popular among guys looking for a reliable solution. Now, some people complained about the application process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it really does deliver a natural-looking color that stands the test of time. So if you're patient and willing to learn, this dye could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a nourishing dye that tackles gray while caring for your beard. Skip this one if you need something quick and easy to apply right away. For the price, it's a solid investment for your grooming routine. Now, if the potential application hassle with Just for Men bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Just for Men One Day Beard and Brow Color. Priced at $11.89, this temporary color caught my eye because it promises a fuller and more defined look in just one day. If you're looking for a quick fix without the commitment, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With up to 30 applications, you can experiment with different shades and styles without worrying about long-term consequences. It's perfect if you have a special event or just want to change things up for a day. The fact that it's designed for both beard and brow means you can maintain a cohesive look effortlessly. Over 6,000 units sold last month suggests this is a popular choice for guys in a hurry. Now, some users mention that it can sometimes leave a residue if not applied carefully. But honestly, if you follow the instructions and allow it to dry properly, it shouldn't be an issue. This is a great option for those who want flexibility in their grooming. This is perfect for you if you want a temporary color that you can easily wash out. Skip this one if you're looking for a long-lasting solution. It's a great value for the versatility it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for guys who want something more permanent.
Product number 3. Just for Men Easy Comb In Color. Coming in at number 3 is the Just for Men Easy Comb In Color, priced at just $9.97. What really grabbed my attention here is the no-mix application with a comb applicator. If you want something simple and effective, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The comb applicator allows you to apply the dye evenly without the mess that comes with traditional kits. It's perfect for those who might be new to dyeing their facial hair. Plus, it's designed to blend naturally with your existing color, which is crucial for a good look. With 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many guys appreciate its ease of use. However, a few users did mention that it can fade quicker than expected. Here's the thing, if you're someone who doesn't mind touching up more often, this could still be a great option. Just keep in mind you might have to reapply more frequently than with others. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or want a quick, straightforward application process. Skip this one if you want something that lasts for weeks without needing a touch-up. At under $10, it's a great deal for the convenience it brings. Now, if the fading issue with Just for Men Easy Comb In Color concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 4. Bigen Easy Color for Men. Next on the list is the Bigen Easy Color for Men, which comes in a pack of 3 for about $25.04. What caught my attention is its long-lasting formula, which promises to keep your beard looking fresh for weeks. If you're looking for a reliable solution that doesn't require constant reapplication, this could be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This dye offers great gray coverage and is designed to last longer than many temporary options. That means less hassle for you down the road. The 3-pack ensures you won't run out quickly, which is ideal if you regularly deal with grays. Recent sales show over 1,000 units sold last month, highlighting its popularity among men looking for durability. Now, some people have mentioned that the application can be uneven if you're not careful, but honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions, you should achieve a smooth, even color. So if you're up for a bit of diligence, the results can be very rewarding. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting solution for gray coverage. Skip this one if you're looking for something temporary or easy. For the price and quality, it's a solid value for those serious about their grooming. Alright, that was a solid option, but the final product on my list brings something unique to the table. Product number 5, Imakota 5-Minute Natural Beard Dye. Last but not least, we have the Imakota 5-Minute Natural Beard Dye, priced at $19.99. What really surprised me is its claim to mask gray hairs in just 5 minutes. If you want fast results without compromising on quality, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The quick application is perfect for those busy mornings when you need to look sharp in no time. Plus, the formula is enriched with argan oil and noni fruit, which means your beard not only gets colored but also nourished. This dual benefit is crucial if you want to keep your facial hair healthy while looking good. With over 700 units sold last month, it's gaining traction among guys who appreciate efficiency. Now, some users mentioned that it might not cover all shades of gray completely. Here's the thing though, if you have a light to moderate gray level, this will work wonders. If your grays are more prominent, you might need a couple of applications, but it's still a great option for a quick fix. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a fast, effective solution. Skip this one if you have very stubborn grays that need more intensive treatment. For the time saved, it's definitely a good investment. To quickly recap, we've covered the Just for Men Mustache and Beard for nourishment, the Just for Men One Day for flexibility, the Easy Comb-In for simplicity, Bigen Easy Color for longevity, and the Imakota for speed. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Imakota 5-Minute Natural Beard Dye because you can't beat that quick application time when you're in a rush. I'd recommend avoiding the Just for Men One Day if you're looking for something more permanent.